Get in with Michael. Put your helmet on. Go. Okay. Michael's awesome. You see, he's got arrow strings, so it's an official car.
Hey, Michael.
Howdy.
Hey, man, I'm Eric. Thank you so much for letting me ride with you.
No problemo, man.
I really appreciate that.
Yeah, thanks, Mike. Go have fun.
My pleasure.
I see. Number 3, so this is your pivot.
So I'm a friend of Cliff White's. I don't know if you know Cliff.
I've heard the name.
Yeah, he's wow, holy shit, this is an Alfa Romeo?
No, it's not. It just,
well, that's the
my dad used to run them, so I had this leftover button in a race box from 30 years ago, and it fit. So I'm like, ah,
perfect.
Yeah.
So you've taken everything out of here and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's all stripped out.
All to reduce the weight.
Yeah.
Sorry for throwing 200 pounds in on you.
No, it's all good. Don't worry about it at all. I'm a very chill weekend racer, so might not feel like it when I'm out on the track, but yeah, this is all for fun.
Oh my god! Dude, you're a fucking badass driver. Holy shit!
That was a good time.
Man, you killed it. Oh my god, that was fantastic.
Oh, that was awesome, dude. That was a good run. This is why I don't worry about passengers. I'm not good enough to notice the 200 pounds.
Well, I don't know how to hold that, but man, I so appreciate you letting me go with you.